7:17. I put the extension wire and the washing machine is working. Hi! Hi, baby! I brought the leftover chocolate cake here. Mommy said if I don't want to eat what Daddy sends, tell him to stop sending. Daddy called when I was there. He said tomorrow he's going to look for a fridge. So I didn't say anything to Mommy. He said don't know whether they deliver on Sundays. And if they do, I am going to cry. And if they do, then tomorrow I'll have a fridge. Don't have to go to 13 anymore. I asked Mommy, why are you doing this to me? Why aren't you going back like you said you would and come back again later? Give me a break. Since she has to come and clear the storeroom here. I said, you were here for a whole month. Puma, you cannot go out there, Puma. It's all wet. Okay, wait, I stop. It's all wet. That's why I don't want her to go. Move, baby.